Felice Banner here. I'm the curator of the InSync Blended Learning Hub. This week in the Hub, as we launch our campaign on blended learning instructional design, we're going to take a look at the basics of instructional design for blended learning, looking at definitions and approaches to beginning that design process, challenges that arise, and solutions that we can implement to mitigate those challenges to create quality blended learning solutions. Some questions to keep in mind are, how does blended learning design differ from designing for an in-person solution or a self-paced solution? Also, think about challenges that exist in that design stage and the solutions that we can solutions we can implement to help us in that process. And also, how do we develop a full campaign, a full blended learning campaign, right? There are things for you to do and review throughout the week. And as you go through, think about what we're really trying to do in this blended learning, while we develop our blended learning solutions. We're trying to serve our modern learners, right? And we want to create a balanced blend. What does that mean, right? We need to look for answers to these questions. We have curated resources, we have original content for you to explore, and ways for you to connect and collaborate. I highly encourage you to do so. Note that you can comment on any of the materials in the Hub and add to conversations about how we are designing, developing, and delivering blended learning. Again, this first week, we're taking a look at defining blended learning instructional design, and think about those first steps that we take. Remember, the most important piece of all of this are being able to write those measurable learning objectives, to develop those measurable learning objectives, because they will guide our steps along the way throughout this entire design process as we together find ways to design, develop, and deliver a blended learning solution. We know there are challenges. We're here to help you meet those challenges, to find solutions, to create new and novel approaches to blended learning instructional design. Enjoy the week, and I'll see you online.